Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. So if that's what you're into, let's just keep on watching. First order of business. It's October. It's hot AF here. Welcome to second summer in the Midwest. Got to do the lips. We're going to do NYX Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner, Dash of Cocoa. I already have a little something on my lips, but I don't even remember what it is. So I put it on so long ago. Base was done hours ago, so let's just disregard it. It looks a little trashy. I've been using that Misha BB cream though. They just come out with one that is like a serum. This is just the OG BB cream that's been out forever. But it started popping up on my FYP on the TOK. I know YouTube, you don't like me talking about other platforms, but if you gave your girl some help, maybe it'd be reciprocal, right? Still don't have that hype button, hint hint. Yeah, so when YouTube comes out with stuff, they usually give it to, like, they say it's for like smaller channels, but if you're like not monetized, they usually don't give it to you right away. So you gotta wait a little bit. So I'm hoping that before the hype of the hype button runs out, I might be privy to it, but not gonna hold my breath because it's probably not gonna happen, but that's okay. That's okay, you guys. You can support me and all your small creators, like, thumbs up, comment, share. That's it. That helps us out. All right, so this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Charmer. I really like the new packaging of these. It's very, very nice. All right, you guys, so. Oh, that's perfect together. Perfect shade. So I've been trying to not really spend a lot of money on makeup. Got a little crazy with the lip liner there. Let's just disregard that, like I said. Oh, I was talking about the Misha BB cream. So I like it. However, I find it when it's hot out like this, the oils and the sweat just really comes through. But I do really like it. But just beware if you're more oily, because I'm dry. I do a lot of moisturizing for the base because of that, but if you're naturally oily, it might be a bit too much for you. Just throwing that out there. So we're gonna do the Colourpop and Shrek Beware Ogre palette. So I know nothing about Shrek. I've seen like a couple minutes of it, but I don't really know much about it. So here we go. It's really, really cute though. This palette's really beautiful. It's super nice. Like the perfect fall palette. It's so cute. Like I don't know. I really like it. So there's our palette. And also it's really hot. I like to film earlier in the morning, but my husband doesn't want to wake up, so I can't film. So when I film, it's hot and then I'm nasty and I don't really like that. But I gotta do it when I can do it because I don't have much free time. So I guess we'll do two different eyes. One like a more brownie pinkish one and one a more greenish one, I guess. It's already been a day, you guys. Already been a day. All right, so let's see what we can do here. So I am, let's see. Let's start with this shade right here. It is Short Supply. It is really hard to read the names on this palette because it's like gold and it goes with the brown so well that yeah, it's hard to read for me anyway. Hopefully y'all's eyes are better than mine because oh my goodness. All right, so how are y'all doing? Do you live in a place where it actually cools off? Because I'm sick of living in hell every day because it's so hot here. I am just so over it. Like, it's disgusting. Like, I want to be able to wear hoodies and feel a cool breeze and just not be sweaty all the time. All right, now we're going to go in with Guarded Castle right here. So also, I bought some birdie. Oh my God. English is not one of my talents today. I'm sorry. I bought some Beauty Creations stuff. They have these really good looking contour sticks and blush sticks. I got a couple of those. Is that all I ordered? Oh, and they have like really pretty baked highlighters, so I got one of those as well, and I think it should be here, hopefully, if the lovely post office does not send it like 10 states away like they usually do. It should be here early next week, so I'm thinking maybe next weekend I can film like a full beat. We can do like a full look, right? Like foundation, contour, blush, eye look, all the things. So maybe we can do that. I think that'd be nice. Yeah. Last week was horrible. We just had the 4-year anniversary of my dad's death. I don't know why the universe that day just has to be a complete and total jerk. But yeah, I definitely had some people that were messing with me and it wasn't cool. But I survived. Yeah, it's just been a really rough year. I swear I feel like my lights were just flickering. I don't know if you guys saw that on camera or not. I don't know what to do now. I guess I'll take this shade. That'll do Donkey right here. We're just gonna put that like on the outer corner. I really hope my lights aren't going out. Oh, and shoot, I thought I brought it down with me. Oh, it's over there. I found the The Bride of Frankenstein palette at TJ Maxx for $16.99, so I had to pick that up. So that was good. All right, you guys, now we're going with some glitter glue. These shades are very kick-uppy, powdery. Just FYI, it's fine. It doesn't really bother me, but if you are someone that does not like that, you have been warned. Dang, my battery's dying fast. Holy crap. All right, you guys. So, let's see. What do I want to do? What are we going for? What are we going with? These shades. Ooh, this shade right here. What is this? I can't even read this. Dulac? This one? That's really pretty. I guess we'll go with that. Oh, is this? Oh, crap me. This is a glitter. Huh. All right, then. Here we go. Did not realize that. Well, here we are. Yeah, she's a glitter. Did not know that. Did not. I guess that's what I get for not, like, reading descriptions of things. It's like a glitter with the gel stuff in it, though, so it should stay on okay, and I used a glitter glue. Did not know that was a glitter. Okay. Now, I guess that's just going to be my lower inner corner highlight, too, because it kind of got down there. It's very pretty, though. Very pretty. All right, let's do the other eye. And I guess we're going to start, what are we going to start with? That's a good question. Let's start with, what is this? Gingy. Let's start with Gingy. You guys, it is so hard to read the names of the shadows on that palette. All right. Man, you guys, it's hot down here. I hate the heat. Not a fan at all. If I could live in Alaska, I would. And I would just be the happiest biatch you've ever seen in your life. Just getting to feel cold every day would be fantastic. All right. Let's go in with this shade, My Swamp. Sorry, guys, I have to turn this palette at the weirdest angle to be able to see the shade names. This is a very beautiful swampy green, by the way. It is gorgeous. Now I'm wondering, is there another glitter in this palette that I could like match to match the vibes, or no? Because I am not sure. Where is my stamper brush that I just used a couple minutes ago? Here it is. Huh. I'm hoping this green shade, but I don't... no, that's not a glitter. Well, is this one? No, that might be the only one that's a glitter. I think it is. Well, darn. Gosh darn it. Oh, no. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll figure it out. Let's go with Nice Boulder, and we're going to put that on the outer corner of the eye. Oh, I forgot to put something on the lower lash line too. I have just been, I don't know, like the amount or the speed at which I like forget things is scary. Like I will literally go to do something and then 2 seconds later I just completely forget. Like my brain just is non-existent most days. Like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with me. Like, I thought it was the stress, but I've gotten out of, like, one of the bad stressful situations, and, like, I'm still having those memory issues, so I don't know what's going on with me. Or I guess if you're under so much stress for so long, it just permanently does damage to your brain. I guess I could see that being a thing, too. Because, like, I have had a very, very stressful life. All right, so I'm just trying to figure out like what I'm kind of feeling this shade. I'm making waffles. All right, I'm feeling this one, and it looks a hint greeny. So let's try this. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, yes. So you guys, I don't know anything about Shrek. I'm guessing he likes waffles. I don't know. Alright, we're just going to take this and just put it down here just for time's sake because my battery's dying on me. So, I'm going to go do some mascara, try and fix a little bit where I kind of got a little crazy, throw a little eyeliner on, and I'll be right back. So I am back. I almost gave up on mascara because it is so disgustingly hot. Yeah, so let's take the NYX Buttermilk highlighter. This is a shade Butter Than Gold. I just need a little highlight. These are fantastic highlighters, by the way. If you've never tried them, highly, highly recommend them. My favorite shade is Glazed Butter or something like that. And I don't know where that one went. So we're just going to use this one today because it was right in front of me. All right, you guys. Got some mascara in the bangs, which are being trimmed on Tuesday. If you know, you know. All right, you guys, so let's do that little final look-see. Ignore any mascara that got where it shouldn't go. I was having a time trying to do my mascara because it's just so hot and gross. All right, you guys, so this was the Colourpop and Shrek palette. Really, really pretty palette. I do really, really enjoy this. There you go. Yeah, I think this is just a beautiful, beautiful, I mean, palette all around, but like, I'm really getting the fall vibes from it. So that is it, you guys. I gotta go cool off because it's hot and gross. It'd be nice to be able to live in a place where you can experience cooler weather more than like a couple weeks before it gets like freezing, freezing cold. Yeah, I haven't had it. Just, it gets hotter longer and faster. I mean, I feel like in a couple of years, we're not even gonna have fall or spring. We're gonna have summer and we're gonna have winter, and then it's eventually get to where we just have summer, and that is not my thing. But anyway, that's it. Let me get off my soapbox, you guys. So again, I am a very, very small creator, so if you're gonna help me out, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. What else did I say? Share this video. There's something I'm missing. Like I said, my brain, there's something wrong with me and I don't know what it is. Thumbs up, comment, share. I don't know. You guys, like, what is my brain? It's trash. It's trash. But anyway, I gotta get out of here. I need to take a nap. I'm exhausted. Exhausted. Yeah. I think that's it for now, you guys. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. I hope you have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully I'll see y'all in the next one.